That depends if I fall in love with an NRI guy. I wouldn't mind to be an NRI. I'm bored of being Indian now. Yes. No, of course not. I am here to present the award. I think it's an honor to present an award, especially for an NRI, which is so different if you see that way as compared to Bollywood. So it feels nice to know more things, as I always say when I come for awards, which is different from Bollywood awards, because that's something that I relate to you. I understand, I know people, but when you come to such awards, you get to learn more and get to know more. So it's kind of getting to know something new also. Yeah. I think appreciation in any form is the best thing. You know, whether you give them awards, whether you talk about them verbally, whether it's a mouth publicity. I always feel, everyone, irrespective of their fields, whatever they do, and if they're appreciated, it feels great. It gives them motivation. I think we all somewhere need motivation today. The kind of world we're living in and the kind of ups and downs we all have regarding something or the other, So हर इंसान को लगता है कि अगर मैं थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ या ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ, there is something that I'm doing, and there are people who are noticing it. So I think everybody wants their work to be noticed. So I think it's great. Yes, movie toilet sounds very weird. Yes, but I am really excited for the film, and I hope whatever the cameo that I've done, people really enjoy that. It's something very different apart from my popular perception that I have. So I'm really looking forward. It's just a month to go. Hi.
You're presenting an award in which capacity आप यहाँ पे शामिल हो रही हो?
Well, that they're going to tell me. I've just arrived, so I have no idea where are they placing it. But I am in a very simple way, I would want to see what's happening inside. I've never attended NRI Awards before. Last year, I had to give it a miss for some personal reasons. But I think today I'm going to see something different. I'm myself debuting here, so I'm going to go inside and see what exactly happens.
Any chance to be you being an NRI in the future?
That depends if I fall in love with an NRI guy. I wouldn't mind to be an NRI. I'm bored of being Indian now. Yeah, take two. Okay. Well, I don't mind being an NRI if I get an NRI guy. So that just depends on my future. So let's see.
Very smart answer.
Okay. Yay.
NRI को perform?
मैं तो नॉन रिलायबल इंडियन ही बोलती हूँ. बाकी तो जो
Very intelligent.
Okay.
Obviously, like the person who can make others swing in their thoughts is
Yeah.
an intelligent person.
Good. I'm happy that I am in that zone of yours. I hope you really mean that.
Yeah. अब एक और जवाब आपको सामने देख के देना है कि
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just keep looking here. Yeah.
लास्ट सना आपके संवेदना चाहेंगे जो अटैक हुआ है उसके ऊपर अनंतनाग में कुछ शरणार्थी मतलब दर्शन के लिए लोग जा रहे थे और उन पे अनंत गोलियां चलाई गई.
जी.
आपकी तरफ से कुछ संवेदना के शब्द अगर आप कहना चाहें.
Obviously, हर इंसान अपना हार्टफेल्ट कंडोलेंस दे सकता है, अपनी जो प्रार्थनाएं, दुआएं, प्रेयर, जो भी आप कहो, जो भी फॉर्म में जो लोग जिस तरीके से करते वही दे सकते हैं. एंड एज I always say that terrorism has no religion, so we cannot bound a religion and say these are terrorist religions or this is the religion that does terrorism. People who kill people are, according to me, are not worth living, no matter what religion they belong to. And I would never support terrorism irrespective of any religion they belong to, even if they are Muslims, because I am one. So people have a thing that if a Islamic person is commenting, it's going to be a little biased. But I was very happy when the other situations में भी जो लोगों ने फाइनल रिजल्ट दिया था, एंड द फाइनल थिंग वाज आई वाज विथ इट एंड आई एम टुडे आल्सो विथ इट. whoever is it needs to be punished, needs to be given worst of the worst punishment. And the only thing I can say is my heartfelt condolences is with the family and with everybody who's lost their loved ones, and this should never ever happen, no matter which country, no matter which city, no matter which religion. So yeah.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की और सबसे बड़ी बात जो रिलीजन की आपने बात की मतलब उन लोगों को जिन लोगों जो बस ड्राइवर था जिसने बचाया, he is a Salim.
Yeah.
So
ऐसे आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीज़ें, इवन इफ यू सी द लंडन अटैक व्हाट हैपेंड, आई थिंक द मेजर people who were helping were Muslims, but I never think I really feel it's so stupid because somewhere we are progressing so much, people are going to Mars, Moon, God knows where all, and then eventually we come back to Hindu Muslim. I think that's the worst debate to have. I don't stand by that. I have a lot of people who I've just come from a religious trip, so when I wear Western clothes they start abusing me on Instagram, saying that, oh, you're a Muslim, you should not do this. I don't believe in this, I don't follow that. People's perception is not what I follow. I follow the way I live. I'm happy the way I am, and the person who I'm supposed to please is myself. And if my parents are happy, nobody else, people will keep judging you. So I think this always happens, and this is the worst thing to happen. So I definitely do not support it in any form.
Very well said. See, you have proved yourself to be an intelligent person.
So do I get an award for this now?
Yeah.
Can you recommend?
With your words, such a beautiful words, and
Thank you.
very thought-provoking and wisdom, full of wisdom.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you. Bye-bye.